Okay. We out here. Finally made it to the beach.
You going on this?
Trying to see if we gonna make this boat ride happen.
Why am I going?
Keeping the G out here right quick.
Everybody right here.
We trying to get everybody on this boat. You including him?
We good, all right?
Oh, here we go. This is our vessel.
This is our vessel.
That's the other boat. Everybody's in there. You'll sign your waivers later. Time to get on the boat. Oh. Lost the shoe. Show them your picture, your camera.
Nah, fuck you.
I don't want to lose my hat or my shades.
You're not gonna lose your shade.
But then I gotta buy them again. Oh. Hey, we on vacation, man.
I can't swim either.
It's going down. They pulling the boat off, and we're on it.
I'm on vacation now, y'all.
Sharks in the water. I can say.
There's always sharks in the water. Just don't worry about it. If the water's warm, there's sharks in it. Don't worry about it. All right, we going. We going. I'm trying to make this a movie. Trying to make this live, but I don't really know. I got a Bahama mama in me though. Oh, it's waving. Oh, we swag surfing now.
I'm about to take you to a place you never been before. Show you what we in it for. I keep it moving in and out just like a spinning door. Got paper coming like a bidding war. Show you I'm the sharpest knife in the kitchen drawer. Some things supposed to go together like pimps and whores. I'm here to win, I get it in like intercourse. See, there's no point in worrying about what might happen. No black hats and white rabbits. I'm making life magic. Yeah.
Let me take you to a place you've never been before, where we can grow like leaves on trees. Let me show you things I know that you'll adore, where life is a melody.
All right. After all of that, we end up in between all of this. Got no paddles?
Yeah, get us a picture right here. Where Cam?
This is. How deep is it? Edric, stick your leg in the water.
He can stand up in the water.
See how deep it is.
Look like it, but I don't believe that.
Baby steps. Can't start off taking jets if you ain't made it yet. But wait a sec, and I can give you up. You gotta take your breath, You want that
Everybody's
love so
entitled
first,
to
you
one
gotta
bad
pay
decision per
respect.
vacation.
And paying checks. Before long, they be looking so hard they breaking necks. Now to take it back to the beginning, back before the image, back to when the premise was making run like a Maxima engine. Fast forward that to that Corvette, V8 or that supercharged up. Give me to make sure that we straight now record that as we make a move towards lavish things. We know bread is cool, but cash is king. And you know you can't fly without having wings, or at least an incredible set of propellers to measure up to this magic dream.
Let me take you to a place you've never been before, where we can grow like leaves on trees. Let me show you things I know that you'll adore, where life is a melody.
Some people watch it happen, some people make it happen.
You're not about to leave,
No
right?
need for the facade, don't need to make it happen. We like to walk the walk, and let them say what happened. Go to sleep and dream. Then start the day with it.
But that was fun.
Yeah, it was.
I was
I
trying.
think that was successful. Other than tearing my lens out my glasses.
Yeah, I did stop a couple times.
Woo! I couldn't find the bottom
I
though.
couldn't believe this was happening to me all over again.
Know how to do it, need to watch who you influenced by. Time to start the movement, but you don't know what to do and why. You and I could be the reason we see the bluest skies. Few survivors get to this level, but I refuse to die until nothing's left on my bucket list. So I must suggest sending messages to who loves you best. Wish you much success. I know I must be blessed, so I show it back. Ain't no holding back. Going after that motor faster until they close the chapter. I'm gone.
Let me take you to a place you never been before.
He might come back up.
You gotta come up for air at some point.
Yeah, but he can also stay down for a long time. Shh. What you laughing at?
Oh, they over there.
We're out here searching for dolphins,
Go one right just came up here.
but I keep missing them.
They out here. I'm guessing it's
But
probably
they are
better to
out
look
here.
Back here. They coming up a little more because there's more of them in this little bit.
I think they know we're here.
Like right here on the shore. He doing a trick right here on the side. Right here. Got a spin in the air. This one right here.
Security finna come kick us out in a second. What he doing?
People be kissing them dogs.
I need 2 cameras.
Oh, he jumped. Oh, he jumped out the water.
I hope I got that one.
He jumped out the water over here.
What's this?
Look
go
at him.
another one.
Check him out.
What's his name?
They all jumping. Look at that.
Oh, they know them guys right there.
Oh man.
They know them.
Yeah, they do.
They know them.
Them the guys to bring the snacks.
They're like, y'all gonna feed us.
Yeah.
They ain't finna kick us out, are they?
You guys can't be looking at us.
Around here still in views, but
This is nice.
They helped us out.
big old sea mammals. Big old sea mammals.
You about to come say something.
Your cats.
Say nothing else.
Might see if they know what's going on.
Yeah, he can't say nothing.
Hey man, I know him from the
Part of the
neighborhood.
tour. You paid for this. This was included.
I need a boat. And this concludes the dolphin tour.
He was holding on to the dolphins man, swimming with
We've done
him in his first
what we came to do, and we saw what we came to see. And why is there so much trash in this water right here? Somebody lives right there. Are those coconuts in those trees? Does anybody know what dolphin poop looks like? We've just been in this water. We're back at it like a...
We can grow like leaves on trees. Let me show you things I know that you'll adore. Life is a melody.
Okay, that's it. So we made it to the Bahamas. 2 beaches, a boat ride, and parasailing. This is live. It's what it's supposed to be.
I got the stuff in my pocket.
Gotta go find my people. I know y'all seen. Oh snap. Hey, y'all see me go jump in that water. It's what we do. We jump in that water. That's what I do. See, the thing is, conventional ain't me. So I get a chance to run out and do something like this, I'm with it. Y'all can go to all these dinners. I don't care about going to fancy dinners. Not interested. Clubs, and don't really care. This right here though, this right here is it. This is what I'm talking about.
You know what I'm saying? Live for the YouTube.
You know what I'm saying?
Do it for the next
This one.
River. You know what I'm saying? You see us out here, you know what I'm saying? Floating the boat, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gone.
Let me take you to a place you've never been before, where we can grow like leaves on trees. Let me show you things I know that you'll adore.